You are welcome to the Lord TV, your number one fantastic reality TV that gives you all that it takes to be enlightened on trending news such as politics, entertainment, sports, and what have you. If you are new on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button as well as already subscribed. So please don't forget to drop your comments anytime I drop new videos. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Viewers, we have another trending news for you today, and the headline is I disagree with the Supreme Court judgment. Uzodinma should not be governor, Justice Centus declared. But before I proceed, don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell button to get updated anytime we upload new videos. The news in details. I disagree with the Supreme Court judgment. Uzodinma should not be governor, Justice Centus declares. Justice Centus, a member of the Apex Court, disagreed with the lead verdict and gave a dissenting opinion that allowed Emeka Iheria's application. Justice said he was satisfied that the judgment that declared Hope Uzodinma winner was entered in error. He held that the Apex Court has a duty in the interest of justice set aside its decision that was given in error. My viewers, as you can hear from a member of the Apex Court, this is one of the leading member of the Apex Court, is saying it clearly that he believes that the result that declared Hope Uzodinma winner was entered in error. And he's saying it with proofs. And he's saying it so that his fellow judges will see reason why this judgment that is now in favor of Uzodinma should be nullified and a fresh election should be conducted. I am not in support of anybody, but speaking from a fair ground and with the way the pronouncement of the first judgment was pronounced, it gave a very clear view that there is a foul play in that judgment. A value cannot just disappear from somewhere. It cannot just disappear and reappear. The value should be coming from somewhere. And how come the value? These things are what the Supreme Court supposed to have tried to detect before adding it to the score of Uzodinma. I will say that a concrete investigation was not carried out on that extra value that was added to Uzodinma that made him the winner. Justice Nweze is looking at this judgment from this angle, believing that an extra value which doesn't worth it was actually entered. So is of the view that the Supreme Court should have carried out a concrete investigation on where and how come the extra value that was added. So that is the error we are actually talking about. So Hope Uzodinma declared as the governor of Imo State. He was declared as a result of error in addition. Yes, I'll put it in that way because it's as a result of an additional wrong figure to his figure that declared him a winner. He was not declared a winner on a very fair ground. And anybody, I believe one thing, anybody that wins a position that he never worked for, believe you me, that person will not be able to do what that position is actually demanding from him. But then I will still say this, that the Nigerian Chief Justice and their likes, though, may have broken a world judgment record by giving this verdict today. I give them a congratulative handshake. But the good thing here is that, yes, there is a Supreme Court judgment here on earth. There is also a Supreme Court judgment in heaven. They must have it in mind. And the Chief Justice there is the greatest arbiter that cannot be lured with money or position. That is our Lord Jesus. So they can enjoy whatever they get from their judgment here on earth. But they should have it in mind that there is a great Chief Justice who exists in heaven, who has seen all that has happened today in Imo State. He knows who is the winner, who should be given that seat of leadership, and he alone knows how to manage such a person. I would say to the people of Imolit to be calm. Tension should be taken away. They should work, they should move on. Nothing is going to happen to the government. If anything wrong will happen, God, who is the supreme judge, who has the highest apex court, will always be there to guide them. We should also note that God takes judgment seriously and He doesn't joke with it. And for those who willfully err in this regard, will be sent to eternal jail and be willfully tortured. I wish to rest my case here. But then, I have always believed that yes, today, the Supreme Court will not review its own judgment. That judgment that is truly the right judgment, which they know that yes, this is what's supposed to be reviewed, it will not be reviewed. If they have done that, if they have truly done the right thing by giving the right judgment, over 1,000 cases, including death penalties, would have flooded the court for a review. I'm telling you this. The original judgment was a real shock to me today. But let's hope that all goes well. No hope is lost. This I will say to the people of Imolit. This is my word of courage to you. You should move on. No hope is lost. He that failed today will definitely win tomorrow. Yedoha may have lost, but he has not lost. A winner is not he that wins, but he that fails but refuses to quit, and that is what Yedoha should hold on, because he is still the people's choice, and it will always be. So I don't know what your comments concerning this may be. Whatsoever it is, don't forget to leave them behind. Click on the subscription buttons as well as bell buttons to receive more updates. Thank you.